Hi guys, today I will show you the best free method to solve your identity confirmation failed Facebook account. As you can see, this is an identity failed account. And we can see there are no options to solve, but I have a secret formula to resolve this. So we need restricted page like this which has confirm identity button. To fix your account, you need this type of page, which you can get from me. So let's show you guys how you can solve the issue after getting this type of page. So just follow these easy steps after clicking confirm identity. Hooray! This message confirms that the identity is confirmed. Let's go back and take a look. After confirming the identity, you can now see that we have a button for review. After clicking the Review Now button, I will review this account using option 3 and will send the message I have prepared. Now, I will wait at least 24 hours to get a response from the Facebook team. So, I have waited 24 hours, and now I will reload the page. Wow, it's really resolved, and now I can advertise again. So, this is the video on how you can now resolve your identity failed account using this formula. Please subscribe and join the Telegram channel so that I can share valuable methods like this one with you.